The word of the day is fatigue. So fatigue can be used as a noun and as a verb. It means to be extremely tired, to be exhausted. And it's pronounced with just 2 syllables, fatigue. Repeat, fatigue. Awesome. So some examples. Fatigue is a side effect of this medication. This means that being very tired is a possible effect of taking this pill, taking this medicine. I am so tired and fatigued that I don't think I'll be able to attend. I don't think I'll be able to go to the event because I'm fatigued. The marathon runner was fatigued for days after the big race, meaning this person ran 26 miles. So they're so tired that they were tired for several days, fatigued after the race. So now it's your turn. How would you use fatigue in a sentence of your own? Please share your sentence in the comments below. It's great practice for your English, and it helps lock this word into your long-term memory. Now don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and hit that red subscribe button. We'll have new English lessons like this every week, and you don't want to miss one. Lastly, check out fluencyking.com. There you can get our free ebook on how to become fluent in English, and check out our full paid course, Master English. In this course, we go over great tips for improving your writing so you can sound more professional in your emails, improving your speaking so you can speak with more confidence, and improving your listening comprehension so you can understand native speakers better. The links for that are in the description box below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and happy practicing until next time. Bye guys!